Logarithms. Logarithm is a wonderful tool of mathematics which makes calculations involved in big numbers very easy. Logarithms are widely used in sound, decibel measures, earthquakes, Richter scales, the brightness of stars, and chemistry, pH balance, a measure of acidity and alkalinity. Logarithms were invented in the 17th century as a calculation tool by Scottish mathematician John Napier, 1550 to 1617, who coined the term from the Greek words of ratio, logos, and number, arithmos. Let's learn the fundamentals of logarithms. We know that 2 to the power of 1 equals to 2. 2 to the power of 2 equals to 4. 2 to the power of 3 equals to 8. 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16. Suppose 2 to the power of x equals to 32, then x equals to 5. Now find if 2 to the power of x equals to 10. Clearly, we can't find x by any reiterated multiplication or by any guess. In such cases, logarithm of numbers is defined. Given three numbers x, a, n, where a is greater than 0, a is not equal to 1, and n is greater than 0. If a to the power x equals to n, then logarithm with respect to the base a of n is defined as x. We write a to the power x equals to n if and only if logarithm base a of n equals to x. The above definition converts to the exponential form to the logarithmic form and vice versa. The conditions laid, base a greater than 0, a not equal to 1, n greater than 0, are essential for the existence of logarithm in real number system. Log n base a is a unique reason, being that if alpha and beta are two distinct values of log n base a, then n equals to a to the power alpha equals to a to the power beta implies alpha equals to beta. Exponential form 2 to the power 6 equals to 64. Logarithmic form 6 equals to log 64 base 2. Exponential form 3 to the power 4 equals to 81. Logarithmic form 4 equals to log 81 base 3. Exponential form 5 to the power minus 3 equals to 1 by 125. Logarithmic form minus 3 equals to log 1 by 125 base 5. Some formulae related to logarithms. Product formula: log m cross n base a equal to log mod m base a plus log mod n base a plus. Division formula: log m by n base a equals to log mod m base a minus log mod n base a. Power formula: log m power n base a equals to n into log mod m base a. Log m base a power n equals to 1 by n log m base a. Log b power m base a power n equals to m by n log b base a. A power log n base a equals to n. A power log m equals to m power log a. Change of base formula: log m base a equals to log m base b into log b base a. Interchange formula. Log a base b equals to 1 by log b base a. Corollary. Log m base a equals to log m base b by log a base b, where b is any permissible number. Base power formula. Log n base a power p by q equals to q by p log n base a. Examples. Log 5 base 7 equals to log 5 by log 7 equals to log 5 base 10 by log 7 base 10. Log 51 base 21 equals to log 51 base 10 into log 10 base 21. Log 5 base 10 equals to 1 by log 10 base 5. Properties. Logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. Example. X power 0 equals to 1. Log 1 base x equals to 0. Logarithm of a number to the same base is 1. Example. X power 1 equals to x. Log x base x equals to 1. Logarithm of a number to different bases is different. Examples. Log 81 base 3 equals to 4. Log 81 base 9 equals to 2. Log 81 base 81 equals to 1. Logarithms of different numbers to the same base are different. Examples. Log 9 base 3 equals to 2. Log 27 base 3 equals to 3. Log 81 base 3 equals to 4. Log 243 base 3 equals to 5. Unlike algebraic values, logarithmic values are unique. Logarithms of only positive real numbers are defined. Illustration 1. Show that log xyz base a equals to log x base a plus log y base a plus log z base a. Solution. Let log xyz base a equals to p implies xyz equals to a to the power p is equation 1. Log x base a equals to q implies x equals to a to the power q is equation 2. Log y base a equals to r implies y equals to a to the power r is equation 3. Log z base a equals to s implies z equals to a to the power s is equation 4. Substitute the equations 2, 3 and 4 in 1. A to the power q into a to the power r into a to the power s equals to a to the power p. A to the power q plus r plus s equals to a to the power p. Q plus r plus s equals to p. P equals to q plus r plus s. Log xyz base a equals to log x base a plus log y base a plus log z base a. Hence proved. Illustration 2. Show that log 10,800 equals to 4 log 2 plus 3 log 3 plus 2 log 5. Solution. LHS equals to log 10,800. By prime factorization, we can write 10,800 as 2 power 4 into 3 power 3 into 5 power 2 equals to log of 2 power 4 into 3 power 3 into 5 power 2 equals to log 2 power 4 plus log 3 power 3 plus log 5 power 2 equals to 4 log 2 plus 3 log 3 plus 2 log 5 equals to RHS.